Hi, today we'll be talking about becoming rich, a millionaire. So let's get started. I've given you tips and tops with benefits, and the subjects will be how to become a millionaire, what qualifies someone as a millionaire, how to become a millionaire fast, and how to get rich. How most millionaires get rich, and wealthy tips people invest in, rich tops and tips, a great package where I really know that you can benefit from. So nowhere to go but up. So let's get started. How to become a millionaire. Consider it a millionaire by the standards of wealth research. A household must have investable assets of $1 million or more, excluding the value of real estate and retirement plans with business partnerships. So that's how considered a millionaire standards should have. What qualifies someone as a millionaire? The most basic definition of millionaire is somebody who has $1 million, US dollars to be precise. Now, in order to define the network of millionaire, we need to first talk about the network. So what qualifies someone as a millionaire? Here's a simple way to explain network. It's what you own minus what you owe. If that amount ends up being 1 million US dollars or more, you're a network millionaire. How to become a millionaire fast? Stay clear of debts. Invest early. Get serious about your savings. Increase your income to reach your goal faster. Cut unnecessary expenses and keep your millionaire goal in front and center. Work with and invest in professionals. So again, work with, invest in professionals. How to get rich? One of the first steps to become rich, you need to have a vision and set goals. If your vision is to be independently wealthy within 5 years, you then have to take that and break it down into smaller frames and goals, like a goal after 1 year, then after 2 years, and so on. How most millionaires get rich. The most of today's millionaires weren't born into wealth. Research shows. A study of Fidelity Investment found that 88% of millionaires are self-made millionaires. Those who were born wealthy were more likely to inherit or entrepreneurship, real estate investment, appreciation as an asset sources. I've got some tips how to become wealthy. financial educated. Find a wealthy mentor. Take control of your finances and save with the intent to invest. Network with the rich and wealthy. Create multiple sources of income. Try to learn faster. Take care of your health. Very important. What rich people invest in? Wealthy individuals invest in such assets as private and commercial real estate, land, gold, and even artwork. Real estate continues to be a popular asset class in the portfolios to balance out the vitality of stocks. Yes. I will give you some extra tips. How to get rich is add value in the service or your product or anything that you're doing, but you got to add value. Create a plan and follow it up. Invest, start a business, be grateful, yes, develop patience, have patience, and educate yourself. Very important. Every day you'll be learning something, so keep focused, keep sharp. There's a great training package, Nowhere to Go But Up, from Training School Online. That's www.trainingschool.online. Once you go there and check it out, you'll see that time is on your side. What they're offering is quick and fast training, how you can become a rich millionaire in a profound, great, fast way. Looking further, you'll be seeing that it's a certified training with personal success. Everything is made that the training can be your own with a personal development. Once you reach, you will see that be on a millionaire level and nowhere to go but up. It's only $15, real cheap, real great price on the market today. So benefit from it. Go and get it right away, right now, so that you can grow your skills on becoming rich, a millionaire, so that you are able to purchase or benefit from the package, where you'll be getting a video and 2 books, ebooks to be precisely, where you can boost your skills, your knowledge, and becoming rich, a millionaire. As I said before, there's lots of opportunity in the package. You can do it from home, online, once you got a phone, laptop, computer. It's a great platform if it's anything in your career or your income. Real motivated what they're offering, and I must say the price is great and the lowest right now in the market, so benefit from it right away. It's fast and quick. Time is on your side, very important. So again, visit Training School Online with www.trainingschool.online, where you can benefit from it. So I've given you tips and tips with benefits again, with how you can become a millionaire, what qualifies someone as a millionaire, and how to become a millionaire, how a millionaire gets rich, and how to become wealthy tips, what people invest in, get rich tips and tips with a great package. Nowhere to go but up from Training School Online. So www.trainingschool.online, where you can benefit from it right away. So again, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share the video and the TV channel. Look out for more informational videos that be coming your way. And below, you can find further information and links. And my quote to you is, I see the best in you, and I'm Simeon the Counselor. Bye.